Usap-usapan ngayon ang host na si Robby Domingo. Ito'y matapos ng kumalat sa social media ang pagpunta ni Robby Domingo sa NBI or sa National Bureau of Investigation. Mayroon bang inireklamo o mayroon bang isinadya talaga na bagay doon si Robby Domingo at bakit siya dumulog sa National Bureau of Investigation? Well, sa kanyang Instagram account, narito po ang post, ibinahagi niya ang mga photo at ang mga dapat daw tandaan, ang mga accountability. Ani Robby Domingo, I visited the NBI today and met with Chief Mediano and Attorney Tukay. Thank you for answering all my questions. Here's what I learned. You can file a complaint, especially if your safety is at risk. It's free to file. Always take care or always take screenshots of your complaint and the URL, even if it's deleted. The digital trace is still there. If someone deletes it, it could show intent. Whether it's a troll or not, there's a real person behind the screen and they are still responsible for their actions. And then remember, every action has consequences, whether online or offline. Let's be kind and take responsibility. Kung maaalala nyo, nakamakailan lamang ay pinalagan ni Robby Domingo ang isang comment ng netizen na naging pagbabanta sa kanyang netizen na makakatanggap siya ng malalang pangbabash kapag sinubukan niyang asarin sa isa't isa sina Catherine Bernardo at Donnie Pangilinan. I am Robby Domingo. Subukan mo lang na i-match si Donnie at Bernardo Cat. Ready and solid supporters ni Bel Mariano na i-bash ka mula ulo hanggang paa. Huwag mong itolerate yung kablank ng peste mong kaibigan. Yan pa ang naging say ng isang netizen. Magkakasama kasi sina Robby, Donnie at Kat sa bagong season ng Pilipinas Got Talent or PGT. Sagot niya sa netizen, can I consider this a threat? Can I take legal actions against this? I don't tolerate this behavior. Samantala, burado na nga daw ang naturang komento. Sa comment section naman ng kanyang NBI post ay may pahabol pa si Robby. By the way, I didn't delete the comment the troll made. It was her who removed it from the comment section, thus deleting the whole thread. Also, it may become additional proof of intent because of malice. Nandito naman ang mga kaibigan niya mula sa post ni Robby na sumuporta sa kanya. Well, ilan sa mga yan ang nagsabing i-push at go-go nga daw itong si Robby. Si Ms. Iza Calzado, sinabi niyang nakatutok kami from all over the world, go Robby. Sabi na ni I am Super Bianca, go Rob. At si Melay Cantiveros naman, sinabi niyang go Robby sa gabi. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.